Today we are making Greek honey walnut microwave baked apples. It serves 2 and takes about 15 minutes from start to finish. Let us do this. First, gather your ingredients. 2 medium apples, sweet and firm. 2 tablespoons of Greek honey. 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. 1 tablespoon of raisins. 1 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of water. 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, for serving. Rinse 2 apples under cold water and pat them dry with a clean towel. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Slice a thin piece off the bottom of each apple so they stand upright. Core the apples carefully, leaving about 1 centimeter of base intact, and place both apples upright in a white ceramic microwave-safe baking dish. In a small glass bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest. Stir in 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice until the mixture is sticky and even. Divide the filling evenly between the 2 apples, pressing it down into the cavities so each apple is firmly packed. Pour 2 tablespoons of water into the baking dish around the apples. Cover loosely with a microwave-safe plate or a vented microwave cover. Microwave on high power for 3 minutes. If your microwave is weaker than 1000 watts, add 30 seconds. Carefully remove the cover and watch for hot steam. Spoon the hot juices over the apples to baste them, then cover again. Microwave for 1 to 2 more minutes, until the apples are tender but still hold their shape. Check by piercing the top with the tip of a small knife. Let the apples rest, covered, for 2 minutes to finish cooking evenly. Uncover and transfer each apple to a white ceramic plate or a shallow bowl. Spoon the pan juices generously over the top. Top each apple with 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, or adjust the amount to taste. Drizzle any remaining honey mixture from the bowl over the apples and yogurt. If you like, dust lightly with a pinch of cinnamon or a little extra lemon zest. Serve warm right away and enjoy the tender apples with creamy yogurt and bright honey lemon flavors. That is it, the dessert is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Greek-inspired microwave dessert, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.